We do have some video that was captured earlier this morning. This was of a 8:17 a.m. Central Time pass of space station's flyover of Hurricane Katia. Of course, Karen was also trying to capture some additional video of Katia that will be available later on a video file on NASA television. It'll also be available on your NASA website. As you can see, Katia is moving at a speed of about 29 miles per hour in a northeastward movement. It's currently, though it's not shown on this video, it's currently in a path that is between Bermuda and Nova Scotia. The winds of Katia remain at about 85 miles per hour as it makes travel over the Atlantic. Garen has spent some time today capturing video of the two hurricanes, or actually the one hurricane, Hurricane Katia, along with Tropical Storm Nate. Nate at this time is at winds of about 65 miles an hour. A hurricane watch has been set for Tampico, along with Veracruz. That is expected to, Nate is expected to turn into a hurricane, and we'll be watching that, and the astronauts on board the space station will be capturing video whenever possible. Again, you're watching some video of Hurricane Katia as she travels over the Atlantic Ocean on a northeastward movement at about 29 miles per hour. The winds of Katia are still remaining in hurricane, which is an 85-mile-an-hour wind for Katia. This hurricane now proposes no threat to the United States, but it is again traveling in a northeastward movement over the Atlantic.
Close to the last block anyway. And I have the EHS water kit out from earlier, 1175. And I'm supposed to get out of it a microbial analysis kit, 1176. That does not appear to. I'm going to bust into the CTB and see if I can find it floating loose or something. Unless you have another idea.
They've been capturing some video of Hurricane Katia along with Tropical Storm Nate. We're going to bring you some of that video of Tropical Storm Nate coming up here on NASA TV. You see it now. Nate is in the very far right-hand corner. Again, Tropical Storm Nate is about 230 miles above the Earth. It was recorded at that time. That video was captured this morning as it was making a pass over the Gulf of Mexico. It's drifting very slowly, drifting northwestward over the Bay of Campeche in the southern Gulf of Mexico with winds of about 65 miles per hour. That puts it at tropical storm level. It's moving at about 3 miles per hour. Already, Tampico and Veracruz have been issued a hurricane watch. So again, we'll be watching, NASA will be watching as the hurricanes make their progress and capturing video whenever possible. All of this video is available on the web on nasa.gov, and it also will be shown later today on the NASA video files. Again, you're looking at Nate. It's expected to strengthen to a hurricane by tomorrow, September 10th, moving west to southwest to make landfall along the south-central Mexican coastline.
I'm sorry, I'm on.
Mike, I'm with you on 2. Is that where you're at?
Yeah, Josh, I am.
That was video of Tropical Storm Nate that you were watching. And again, we have rejoined the flight control room here at the Johnson Space Center.